mix either or. I just like this truffle salt a little bit better. A little more flavor. Pinch of salt. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. It's a secret ingredient right here. Boom, baby. Boom, boom. Of course, garlic powder. Onion powder. Just a little bit of that. Another secret ingredient, which nutmeg goes great with white sauces. Just a little dash of that. And of course, there's absolutely amazing good Alfredo sauce. Freshly ground black pepper. Good amount of it. You can hear the dogs drinking in the background. Let me know how you like the dogs drinking sounds. Turn it up to the bowl, just over medium. And that's it. You're gonna let this just come to a little bit of a simmer and thicken up. In about 10 minutes, it'll be ready. It's very simple, and I guarantee you, it's the best tasting Alfredo sauce you've ever had. Especially at the end of those 10 minutes. When you top it with a good half cup of Parmesan Reggiano cheese. Enjoy.